Okay friends, to get started on replacing our mirror, we're going to come right inside on the inner door panel and we're going to remove this trim piece. With that out of the way, we're going to continue on by removing our Allen head screw right here and another one inside the handle. Take your plastic trim tool and come in between the door panel and the door itself. We're just going to separate this, go all the way around. Lift this up. Now we're going to slide this trim piece through the door panel. Remove the door panel. Grab this foam insert. We're going to set it aside. We're going to reuse it. With that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our 3 mounting nuts. Let's spray those with some penetrant. Let's start removing those 10mm headed nuts. Let's do the same to the others. All right, I've got it nice and loose. I'm going to make sure I hold onto that mirror so it can't fall and hit the ground, and remove our last mounting nut. Let's carefully remove the mirror. There it is, friends. Go ahead and wipe down the area where the mirror was so you can make a good seal. All right, friends, it's time to get ready to install our brand new mirror. We're going to take the gasket right here, slide it over those studs, line everything up, and now we can put this into the door. Carefully line up all 3 of your studs, slide them into the door. Once you have all 3 of them, let's go ahead and start those nuts. Now that we have all 3 of them started, let's go ahead and snug them up. There's the last one. Feels like it bottomed out. I'm just going to go ahead and take it just a little bit more, and then we'll just double check them all just to make sure they're nice and tight. You don't want your mirror loose while you're driving down the road. Let's get our foam back in here. All right, now it's time to get our door panel back on there. We're going to go ahead and take this plastic piece. We'll slide it right on through there. Be very careful not to twist it and break it in any way. Now we're just going to take the door panel, and you're going to feel along the top area here, there's a little bit of a lip. This lip needs to fit over the lip of the door itself. We're going to bring it right up and over, and then slide it down. Now we'll continue on by pushing in all of our push clips going around the door. Let's get our 2 screws in here. Going to take this, carefully slide it in there. Line up your push tabs. Press it in. Okay friends, we got the mirror in here and it looks amazing. What's left to do now? Now you just want to make your final adjustments so it's aiming exactly where you need to see behind you.